A blessed day, everyone. I am Teacher Jaslyn, and this is my insights and realization video about our course PE19, Instructional Materials Development with Technology in Values Education. This course really pulled my untechy side out of its shell and tossed it into the ocean. Kidding aside, because of this course, I have learned so much about different apps and online tools that can enhance the teaching and learning experiences of our learners. As Prof. Marta says, you just have to search and explore and you will discover so much. To be honest, it was challenging at first to navigate and learn how to use these new apps and tools for tech integration. You really have to be intentional about what you choose. It's not just about forcing a tool to fit an activity. It should genuinely enhance the activity and the learning experience. It should also be appropriate for the profile of the learners. When choosing apps or tools, I realize it helps to make sure they are free and require no lag-in, so it won't be a hassle or time-consuming for learners. The tool should be engaging, interesting, and visually appealing to capture the learner's attention. As Prof. Marta said, they should have a wow factor effect. Font should be easy to read, instructions clear, and the app or tool is simple to navigate even for first-time users. This way, technology can truly enhance learning when used properly, supporting the activity rather than becoming a barrier. Even AI tools, as Prof. Marta mentioned, should not be avoided but used ethically. I also realized that this course does not mean discarding traditional materials, but rather having options in delivering content or even using both, just like we did in our demo. So if the internet will have problems, it's important to have a backup plan. You can prepare offline versions of your apps or materials or have alternative activities ready so teaching can continue without interruption. It's also very important to try out all the apps or tools you plan to use beforehand because unexpected circumstances can arise and waiting for a tool to respond can be time-consuming. Overall, this course has been a meaningful journey of discovery, growth, and reflection on how technology can truly enhance teaching and learning. And that's it. Be inspired, be one of us, venture with Teacher Jazz as we empower minds, uplift hearts, and change the world through the right practice of values.